Hi guys, here's our room at the Rosen International on International Drive. It's 7600. This room is room 2202, which is room 2 on the second floor in Tower 2. Our view from the window is the garden area there and the pool over there. Pool's open from 9 AM till 10 PM at night. No lifeguard on duty though. Right, it's 2 double beds. We have just finished our stay here, so the room is a little bit more messy and there aren't any things around that they would normally leave you, but you do get them. So you start with a work area here and a mirror.
The magazine.
And the Rosen magazine. You get a Samsung TV with all those different channels on it. Right, under the telly you've got 2 storage shelves there. There are backs on, so you haven't got to worry about anything dropping off the back. And 4 large drawers. On this side you've got the safe and the under space there. We actually moved the telephone under there so we could have our devices charging on the side. On the side of the lamp you've got 2 plug sockets, which because the lamp's quite low, you can't really get an adapter or a UK adapter in there. We have got 2 plug sockets that we use on top of the clock, and also 2 USB outlets there. There is a plug socket on top of the lamp there, and also 2 plug sockets down there. Then you've got the wardrobe, plenty of hangers, and you do get a big full-length mirror there. And on the side of the wardrobe you've got your ironing board. Moving into the bathroom kitchen-y area, got a microwave and a fridge there. No freezer section though in that. And you do get your coffee machine there, which they leave you the stuff to put in that every morning, and also a hairdryer. Then you got your normal bathroom. You normally get your shampoo, conditioner, body lotion in, etc. Sam out on the floor down there if you want one. Sink, all your normal stuff there. Yeah, so that is our room review here at the Rosen International. We've stopped here last April and I think we'd quite happy to stop here again. It's been a good break. So thanks you all for watching guys. See you all soon.